In the annelids, segmentation repeats the same basic organization so that each segment possesses a ganglion of the ventral nerve tract. Each segment possesses the same muscular arrangement. Each segment possesses a urinary tube. And then there are features which pass through the segments, such as the blood vessels and the digestive tract. While earthworms ingest sediment and process organic nutrients there, some annelids are predators and others are parasites, such as some leeches which suck blood on the exterior of the body. I could ask you to match the structures of mollusks which we discussed. So the structure which possesses chitinous teeth and is used in feeding is the radula. The ciliated larva is known as the trochophore, etc. You could distinguish between the open and closed circulatory systems. In an open circulatory system, the fluid is termed hemolymph because while it spends some of its time in blood vessels, it then can also enter the coelom and diffuse through the spaces between tissue cells, while the blood of closed circulatory systems, that which you would say find in annelids and cephalopods, this blood spends all of its time within blood vessels. There's a video which explains respiration in bivalves, so you should simply be able to summarize that as water enters the inhalant siphon, passes through the gills, or ctenidia, which possess ostia, and ciliated cells, whose cilia help to move the water. The water will then pass through the gills to the suprabranchial chambers above the gills, which will then empty to the mantle cavity so that water can leave the exhalant siphon. Now, this is not only important for respiration, but also for feeding, because the organic material and algae and protists which are in the water will get caught in the gills, and the cilia sweep the mucus which contains them towards the mouth. Also, as water leaves the exhalant siphon, the excretory system, both the anus and the urinary waste, can be released into this water, as can the gametes. And so this flow of water can then be utilized to move these substances as well.